Hello everyone and welcome to a quick VLC Media Player tutorial. In today's video I want to show you how to hide the file name in VLC Media Player when the video starts. This is actually quite simple. First I open the player, and when I start a video we will see that the file name is still displayed. To stop the file name from being displayed when the video starts, I click on Tools and Preferences. Here we go to Subtitles and OSD, and one of the first functions I find here is Show Media Title on Video Start. If I uncheck the box and click on Save, the file name is no longer displayed when the video starts. Let's test this again and see that it works the way we want it to. And that's all you need to know. I hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you again in the next tutorial. Until then, your tutorial guy. Bye.